Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Maui, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a packers and mover company that covers the Maui Island, other major Hawaiian islands, and surrounding areas. Moving services tailored to your needs are provided by our well-trained and experienced professionals. You should prepare ahead of long-distance moves to or from Maui County so that you have time to resolve any additional problems that might arise. 3 Movers has the perfect team of professional Maui movers who can help you prepare for your relocation. Local movers involves moving within a 100-mile radius of your current residence or office. The planning and execution of local moves may appear simple, but this is not always the case. Executing a local move on your own is to be avoided, as using professional help from a moving company like 3 Movers is recommended. Packing, loading, and unloading are just a few of the things to consider when during a move. We insure all of your items against breakage or loss when we handle your relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Maui moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.